In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy USDT on Binance P2P using M-Pesa. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency trading or you simply want a secure and fast way to purchase stablecoins, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to complete your transaction safely and efficiently. First, open your Binance app on your smartphone or tablet and go to your account dashboard. Once you're there, make sure you're logged in and that your KYC or Know Your Customer verification is complete. This step is essential for security and ensures that all your transactions on Binance are fully protected, so don't skip it. Next, click on the P2P trading section. You'll see the option to buy or sell cryptocurrencies. Tap on Buy and then select USDT from the list of available coins. USDT, or Tether, is a stable coin pegged to the US dollar, making it a reliable choice for anyone looking to avoid market volatility. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to continue. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you use the filter option to select your preferred currency. For this example, we'll choose KES, which is the Kenyan shilling, and set M-Pesa as your payment method. Doing this beforehand narrows down your options and ensures you only see sellers who support your preferred payment method, saving time and preventing mistakes. Once you've set your filters, browse the available sellers and pick one with a high completion rate. This reflects their reliability and history of successful trades. Make sure they also have enough USDT to cover the amount you wish to buy. Once you've selected a seller, enter the amount of USDT you want and tap the Buy button. After that, follow the provided M-Pesa payment instructions carefully and send the payment within the specified time limit. Once the payment is sent, go back to Binance and tap Transferred, Notify Seller. This alerts the seller that you've made the payment. Then wait for them to confirm receipt. Once confirmed, the USDT will be released to your P2P wallet. The transaction is escrow protected, which means your funds are held securely until the process is complete. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to buy USDT on Binance P2P using M-Pesa safely and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be trying to buy USDT. Why not make someone's day easier?